Hello guys, good afternoon. Maghihemo ako ng milkshake. Ang init. Taka naman. Yes. Not milkshake, the eye. Avocado, what is this?
Avocado?
Avocado. Only two? I think so too. See, no. Oh. Avocado. I think so only. Still the other one is still on. Oh yeah, 3. Might be 3. Yeah, probably 3. This is the other. Oh. You make this one, not me. No guys. Ano lang madirahan kay maghimo ko avocado shake kay. Init kayo, nag-rayban ganito kayo. Init kayo. Oh, what happened? Why happen? This is different pancake. This is not same before.
Yeah, we'll change it. There's different manufacturers, different countries, different times.
No, but the taste is better than ever. It's better than ever before. Ako'y nahihirapan na sa pag-English ko. Hindi ako marunong. Paano na ito? So you want to put two together with this one?
Yeah.
So
2 bananas,
bananas.
2 scoops of ice cream, and
Oh yeah.
a bit of milk.
Yeah, milk. We have milk there. I'm gonna help you because I don't know how to make it. But I try my best to become a better. What better? Hi. May I know your name? What is your name? My name is. What is my name? I forget.
This is 410.
Mrs. 14? Yeah. 14, 15.
410.
Mrs. 14. Yeah. Oh, the banana, yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna let milk.
Milk, ice cream. Ice cream first.
Yeah. Oh my God. How many ice cream? Look, guys. Tara, guys, oh. Wala na siya akong buhaton. Where's the scoop? Where's the scoop? Here? I think here. Oh, yeah, that one.
Use that one.
Oh no. Oh no. Say hi.
Hi.
Na maghimo mi og avocado shake. No English today because avocado shake with ice cream. Ice cream with how many scoop? 2?
2.
Like this? Yeah, man.
Make it 3.
Make it 3 because I make it small. That's why. Ako'y nahihirapan sa kalisod. Then